Yes, gokanegwa gekeno TV ni na niegegetwo Triple M favored na muthia PHYLLIS MBUTHIA ni arekete go smile ororege amuni akoro retrieve YouTube account yake riratumite agiena kieha na kurira muno nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria. PHYLLIS MBUTHIA kugenda renda rwake rwa Facebook ni ugeti ati nio ino wakorirwo akimunuha na ni murata wake wa giti kia mbere na ana muteithia matuku maingi na naye ware wa mbere kumuhurira thimu na kumwira YouTube account yake nirakorwo ikiaga na nyimbo ciake citirakorwo cikioneka thiini wa nenda ya YouTube. PHYLLIS MBUTHIA andikite gakorwo akiuga kuri na mwihoko ati YouTube channel yake nireketie gucoka na Google account yake ni gucokera coka na riu YouTube yake ni mukorwo mukimiona mahinda o mothe na riu akorwo agituma screenshot citiganite ni cici iria akorirwo akiuga ati ni areketie ku recover Google account yake iria ahingurite nayo YouTube account yake. Ekedi muthomere na ni quote uria PHYLLIS MBUTHIA akorirwo akiandika thiini wa nenda yake ya Facebook. Akorwo akiuga at this time exactly 2:05 AM Kenyan time I have recovered my Google account now pending at PHYLLIS MBUTHIA official channel on YouTube. Review taking place after which we shall all be able to watch like we never left. I will be doing a video to help other YouTubers to safeguard their channels from my experience. Ogo ni gwakora akiuga na ukora ake record video ya kuonania ure mundu agikorwo recover YouTube channel yake kana kindo giothe giake kiria kingikorwo kihaketwo. Na riu undu wa kumakania uri utigire ma fans na kimako kinene ni uria akarirwo akiandika haha thi. Akorwo akiuga I know who did it. He has been my friend for long, so close that he was first to call. I leave him to God because he destroyed that of my kids too, but I was silent for the sake of peace. PHYLLIS MBUTHIA akoretwo auga ati ona YouTube channel ya ciana ciake ni akoretwo ikihakwo in the past niguo akorwo akiuga na is the same person uria wakorirwo akimunuha na kunina YouTube channel ya ciana ciake. He has helped me in many ways, but I'm sure there's a long list with God of people he has caused extreme pain. He's the best pretender I have met in my life, but I'm at peace. Ugonigwa akorwo akiuga because my God is both the prime witness, the prime judge, so I leave him in God's hands. My morning is coming with pure joy. Agashoka agatheka muno makiria amu uyu ni mwihoko munene na urakoretwo ogicusha ngoro yake na gukorwo akiuga ati maundu titoria marari. Ninge YouTube kana PHYLLIS MBUTHIA ni akorirwo akiandika ringi akorwo akiuga the so called account recovery professionals professionalized me to tears. Ashoka akagekira to emoji to akurira agakorwo akiuga but joy is warming up for me. Thanks to Kenyans of all walks of life for supporting me with such love. Let's keep subscribing to the new account ya PHYLLIS MBUTHIA Fresh Start. Ugo nigwa akorirwo akira arata ake. Agashoka akandika rege akorwo akiuga now I can rest. Mtu asiniamshe. Yes, ugo nigwa akorirwo akiuga na YouTube account yake nerekete gucoka ya PHYLLIS MBUTHIA official. Ugo nigwo ndumiriri cirato kinyira andu ni mareyumiretie kwa wingi aria makoretwo makimuteithia mayo nigetha akorwo retrieve account yake. Ni tuonire Mike wa IT akiuga ne ukorwo akimuteithĩrĩria na njira nene na andu angi matiganite aria PHYLLIS MBUTHIA akuotete agakorwo akiuga mundu gwitwo Ndong'onyoro, Dennis Itumbi, Stephen Crown KE representing each one of you ni ndacokia ngatho. Uguo niguo PHYLLIS MBUTHIA arakorwo akiuga ati andu ni mamuteithĩtie na njira nene na we fan wake uria ukoretwo ugikinya thiini wa PHYLLIS MBUTHIA Fresh Start na ugakorwo ukimuteithĩrĩria na njira ya go subscribe. Thengio ici ni cianyu kana ngatho ici ni cianyu kuma kuri PHYLLIS MBUTHIA. Nirikana go subscribe to Gekeno TV niye nani ngagetwo Triple M favored. Tushemanie in my next video nigumurehera video uria ciragithie cikeyumiragia uhoro uyu wige mainie na PHYLLIS MBUTHIA. Bye bye.